Hey, we're back. So my name is Anna Maria Lorenzo, and this is part 2 of the DIY all-natural sunscreen made with doTERRA essential oils. So the first video, if you haven't seen that, please go back and watch that first. It'll be labeled DIY all-natural sunscreen with doTERRA essential oils, and it'll say part 1 on there. All right, so please check that. We left off with boiling everything down, and adding in, the last step was adding in the essential oils. So the very next step, all of that's been completed. All I did, and this is more of a fast forward, so I poured in the sunscreen that was already mixed and ready to go into 2 4-ounce mason jars. Okay, so the recipe that we shared actually comes out to 8 ounces. You can put that into 1 8-ounce jar. You can do 4 2-ounce jars. It's whatever you want to do. You can bring it down to even a smaller container and kind of make more for the family. But I just chose to do 2 4-ounce glass jars for this. And once I poured it in, I just let it sit at room temperature until it's solidified. Once it solidifies, you'll want to go back in and stir it up. And the reason for that is because as it's starting to cool, the zinc oxide is going to pretty much sink down to the bottom of the solution and then it becomes a little hardened. So you want to go ahead and use a stir or a spoon or the back of a butter knife and just give it a really good stir and make sure you mix the zinc oxide in there, and you'll know when it's done because it'll turn into a really beautiful white color. And as you can see, it's going to be a really creamy consistency, and it smells amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. So the consistency is perfect. Looks like a nice cream. So just to kind of make sure you get to see that a little bit. And then you can kind of test it out on your hand a little bit. It may be a little too much. So a little bit's going to go a long way, but as you can see, it goes right into the skin. It does not dry a white color. And remember what we put in here, right? We have your shea butter, your coconut oil, pomegranate seed oil, and essential oils. So this is majorly moisturizing. It feels amazing on my skin. It makes my skin really silky, and it smells so good. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a try and see how you like it. I'm super excited. This one's going to camp with my son. That's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.